в чьи-то глаза, зажечь небеса и мир распахнув, пустить в круженье. Кто-то скажет слова: «Я здесь, я с тобой».
How can you make a character not only speak or sing, but also perfectly match the articulation of the person voicing them? Tools for this exist, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through one of them. Hey everyone! In this video, we'll focus on facial animation using the LivePortrait extension for ComfyUI. I'll also show you the entire process of creating this segment, from generating a reference image, animating it with the FramePack F1 tool, to adding articulation. I'll also be playing the piano and singing, doubling as the actor for this one. So let's not waste time, let's dive in. We'll go through 3 workflows, 2 preparatory ones, and 1 main workflow specifically for facial animation. Links to these 3 workflows will be in the description, and you can use them if you'd like. First, let's create a reference image. This is a basic workflow based on the FLUX model. You can use any model that generates images. I wanted the girl to look like a Tim Burton cartoon character, so I found a Laura on Civid AI that captures this style. The link to it will be in the description. Next, I animated this image using the FramePack F1 tool. I'm constantly amazed by how stable, consistent, and well-rendered the image is. I won't dive deep into this workflow since I've already made a video on it. Check the link in the description to watch it. Let's jump straight to installing the facial animation extension. First, visit the developers page, where they showcase what this tool can do and provide comparison tables. Then, head to the page of the person who integrated this tool into ComfyUI. You might recognize the name, it's Kijai. Here, you can read about the improvements made, like the addition of an alternative face detector that works better with smaller faces. There's an example showing how it works. And 3 workflows are clearly demonstrated. The first is for real-time animation. The second is facial animation based on a static image, where only the head and neck move while the rest of the image stays still. The third is facial animation based on a video, and that's the one we'll be using. Go to the Examples section and click on the third workflow. Download it to any location. The easiest way to install the extension is to drag and drop the example workflow into your ComfyUI environment, if available. Naturally, a list of missing nodes will pop up right away. And the missing nodes will be highlighted in red. Go to the manager and select Install Missing Custom Nodes. Select and install them, then fully restart your ComfyUI. Refresh the page. Now everything's good to go. To use this extension, we need to download a few models. Go back to Kijai's page and click the link to their Hugging Face page. From there, download all the models and place them in the folder Models/LivePortrait. Here's the workflow. Let's quickly go over the nodes. In the top video loader, load a clip from an animated film. In the bottom loader, upload the video from which the program will take articulation and audio. This is a song from La La Land. I translated it into Russian and performed it. Pay attention to these 2 nodes. We connect either one or the other. Here's the difference. The media pipe cropper face detector doesn't run on GPU and is slightly less accurate in face detection, but its license allows for commercial use. And it's mentioned here. The Insight Face Cropper detector runs on GPU, but its license is for non-commercial use only. If you're using media pipe cropper, you'll need to select the Torch GPU model. The image resizing node. The node showing the image resolution and frame count. The LivePortrait cropper node. It handles detecting the face area on the image, aligning it, and adjusting crop parameters to ensure accurate animation in later stages. The LivePortrait retargeting node. In this example, it's disabled. This node allows for even more precise transfer of eye and lip movements from the reference video. For example, when the eye retargeting field is enabled, the program uses additional algorithms to analyze and transfer eye movements, like blinking or gaze direction, from the source video. It's used when you want the character's gaze to be expressive or follow specific actions. If the eye and lip parameters are disabled, the program uses simpler default algorithms. This text field mentions that you can connect this node if you want. I tried it with and without the retargeting node. For me, the result was worse with the retargeting node enabled, possibly due to the quality of the source video. So, I didn't use it, but you should experiment here. Here, a face isolation mask is created for the animation. I didn't change anything in this node. You can disable lip movement by setting the switch to true. A couple more things. In the source video, I was moving my head too energetically, and as a result, the character's face and head were slightly distorted in the output. I had to re-record the video, trying to move my head less and articulate more clearly. The result improved. One more important note: the frame rate of both videos must match, or the character's articulation and the song's audio will be out of sync. So, I think the LivePortrait extension delivers amazing results. With higher quality source videos, it'll be even more magical. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
В чьи-то глаза зажечь небеса и мир распахнув, пустить в круженье. Кто-то скажет слова: я здесь.